Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to show you Google Analytics dashboard for one of our clients. So he's been with us for about 5 to 6 weeks. He's subscribed to our SEO Monitor package, and he's selling watches, mainly watch straps, but also watches as well, but his main area are watches. So as you can see, his traffic improved by 17%. So this is the last 7 days compared to the previous 7 days. His revenue improved by 39%. So these are sales from the last 7 days, which is fantastic. Conversion rate dropped just by 6%, but it's still on the 3% basis. So this is really good. So it means the store is getting 3 sales per 100 visitors, which is really good conversion rate. Sessions, 2,000 sessions in 7 days, improved by 14.1%. And if you scroll down, you will see that the traffic sources rely heavily on organic search. So this website has been around for about 3 years, over 3 years. So majority of traffic comes from organic search, such as Google, Bing, and so on. So as you can see, this is organic search. Next one is direct traffic from previous visitors, referrals, so backlinks, other magazines that featured him, social media, and other sources. As you can see, this person doesn't spend any budget on paid ads, on Google ads or on Facebook ads. So all the traffic he gets is completely free, apart from investing in the SEO Monitor with us, which is only $300 per month. And this is what kind of results you can expect if you optimize your website well from the very beginning, if you target the right keywords, if you invest in ongoing SEO package that will help you improve your website further and monitor your website performance, fix any metadata issues, any broken links, and so on, because this is all matters for Google. So if you don't want to keep paying for ads after 2 or 3 years of running an online business, I do recommend investing in a good SEO package from the very beginning, and later on you can expect similar sales. If you obviously have got a good niche, good product, you can expect this kind of sales, 3,000 or more sales per week, with no ads whatsoever, just a good SEO, good product, and good target audience. And if you would like to learn more about the website monitoring SEO Monitor package, please click link under this video, or shoot me an email, and I'll be happy to tell you a little bit more about it. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Thank you. Bye bye.